Dude.
Shh, 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 shh.
Did you kill him?
Yeah.
Where's he at? You landed right in my lap.
Bullet went in your lap.
Yo, it's really hot. Dude. Is he dead?
I think so. You want another donut?
Yeah, but it's not full. Yeah, I'm so glad we got it there.
Alright, let's go. Let's wait a minute and we'll go down there, okay? Come on out. You can leave that there. You don't need those. Come on. Just... Let's go down there and take a look. Go on. Watch where you're going.
How did bullets hit him when he was in the forest? How did bullets hit him when he was...
They just do, little man. Keep going.
Because bullets go real fast and load ammo still.
Shh. Another deer just ran off.
Yeah. Yes. I'll find the forest. I'll fly.
It's right over here in the trees. Come on.
That was out of deer land.
Mm-hmm.
Out of deer land. And if you see another big buck that size, shoot it, alright?
Okay. Come on. See him under the trees right there? Come on, go that way. I'm coming with you.
See him.
Just keep walking. You'll see him.
I'll follow.
Keep walking. Watch your step.
Really?
Keep walking straight ahead.
Can't see.
Keep walking.
Can't even see it.
Keep going. There he is. Come on.
I still can't even see it.
He's right there. You see him? See him on the ground?
Why did he die?
Well, I shot him in the head.
Where's he shooting?
Right behind the head.
Dude, you're right. You did kill him.
Yeah, okay. Let's go get the Jeep. We'll go put him on the Jeep, okay?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes, I'm so glad we shot one.
Yeah? Did you get enough powdered sugar donuts? Look at me.